Welcome to Pavitra Laptop Care. See, here is an issue. What is that? The battery. Once battery is connected, the main supply is getting connected and disconnected. Connected and disconnected. It means the battery will charge and discharge. That is the original issue. Okay. So how we can find out the issue is there or not? That let us check. See, first I'm giving the DC supply. Now I'm checking with the multimeter. See the DC, it started battery charging. Okay, it's a normal charging. Now let us check in the multimeter, it's charging or not. See, this is the battery CLR. First you need to check the battery CLR okay or not. See, 15.9495, it's charging. Okay, but what about customer says the complaint? That's true or not? See, to identify that it's true or not, now what we have to do, we need to turn it on. Then only we come to know what is the issue. Issue is correct or not. Okay, now I'm turning on. See, I turned on. Check the multimeter. It's 15.7. DC also started. 15.99. See, disconnected. 15.1 and again 15.6. DC also you can check. See, disconnected, connected. 15.7, 15.1, 15.7. So you got the point. The battery charging is 15.7 and again it will reduce to 15.1. It means the customer what is telling it's correct. When he is working on the Windows, then only he is getting the issues, not when he connected the power supply. So he says sometimes it boots up and immediately it turned off. Okay, so what it means? Now I'm going to disconnect. I'm turning off. Now I will show you what the exact issue. See, in this case, general thinking. Okay, in this case, see, when you connect this DC, here it's charging. In that time, 19 section we can check. See here, actually it's assembled one. So here only I'm checking. Here, okay, this one is 19 path. Any capacitor you can take, 19 path capacitor. So here I am checking the voltage, you see 18.99. I will disconnect this and battery. Okay, again I will connect the battery. Carefully you have to connect. See, I connected the battery. Now I will connect this. Now I will check. Okay, what is the voltage? 19.3, 2, 1, 0. See, it became 19.0 instead of 19.5. Okay, when I will turn on, what will be the voltage? I turned on, you check the multimeter. 18.8, 18.7, 18.47. How battery will charge then? The 1 volts variation is there after pressing the power button. See, 19 normal, again 18, 18.7, 18.6. Okay, you got my point? See, this is the main condition. When you press the power button, one MOSFET, it's leaky. I think so. After pressing power button, a MOSFET is leaky or some other component may be leaky. 19 section. Because of that, you are getting 18.2 volts. So it reduced to 18.2 volts. Or 18.3, 18.2. How battery will charge then in this condition? Okay, this is the exact issue. So we need to solve it. First we will remove this motherboard, and what we have to check, general thinking is 19 section path we need to check. That also after pressing power button it's giving the issues, right? So let us check one by one. Now motherboard is in open condition. First, in general, when we connect this battery, then only the voltage is reducing. Without battery, 19.4 49 or 5 19.5 we are getting, right? So in that case, first we need to check the discharging MOSFET, the behavior of discharging MOSFET, what it does when it's connect the battery or without the battery. So here is the high MOSFET and here is the discharging MOSFET. First we will check the characteristics of this only with the battery, then we can connect it and then we will check with the supply. Now I am going to connect the battery. Very carefully we have to connect it. Okay, connected. Now we will check the voltage in multimeter, what it shows. Multimeter, see the battery voltage is 15.39. so this is the discharging MOSFET. So here is the drain and here is the source. Till drain it will come first. Okay, when power supply comes, then the source voltage will come, but here it will pass because it's a N channel, sorry, it's a P channel, it's a forward bias. Drain to source will be forward bias. Now you are getting the battery voltage, same voltage. See, battery voltage is 15.39 and here also you are getting 15.39. Okay, see here the CLR you will get this one only, battery voltage, right? This one is second MOSFET. Till here we are getting the battery voltage, and next the drain, no voltage. Okay, now we'll connect the supply. We'll connect the supply and then we will check what the voltage in discharging MOSFET. Okay, here is the gate. There is no voltage. So once again, gate, there is no voltage. Okay, if there is no voltage, it will be in on condition, then all current, I mean all voltage what is there in battery, everything will come to here. Now I am going to connect. So what will be the voltage? See, carefully you have to connect. Connected. What are the characteristics? Let's check. Here I am checking the CLR. CLR is 19.48 at present. Okay, and then where it will come, here is the discharging MOSFET. Here you will get 19.4. Battery is connected or not? It's connected. Now we will check the discharging other side. See, discharging MOSFET is allowing 19 volts. Then what about the battery voltage? See, battery getting 19.48 volts. Okay, 19.48. Before it was charging, now it's not charging because first we connected the battery maybe. Okay, it means direct AC is flowing to battery side. If this one is faulty, then here also and here also you will get the same voltage, right? So first we will check this one is faulty or not. I am disconnecting this. I am disconnecting the battery. Okay, I kept aside. Now I will check with the multimeter. So one side and this side. See, oh, it has short. See, this is the reason you are getting the main, but maybe it got short now, I think so. Because previously the battery was charging and discharging, now it's completely gone. So first we need to replace this MOSFET and we will check what will be the result. See, now I have connected the battery and I replaced this discharging MOSFET. Okay, now we will check what the condition of this with battery. Here is the battery voltage is 15.38. Okay, this one is high MOSFET. It's one side 15.38, other side also 15.38. How it come? Here is the gate 15.0, means it's completely on condition. 15.39. Okay, so now we will connect the adapter. What will be the status now? So that one I have doubt, but anyway let me check the discharging high MOSFET. Now the DC is connected. See, step by step, if you do one work, so it will create other problems. So that the thing is happening here. You're facing the same issue in your service field. Okay, see, the main thing is the discharging MOSFET was the problem. That time it was charging. Okay, see, it's a 15.42. Now this side it's a 19.48, but battery is not charging. See, before it was charging and discharging, right? Now it's completely stopped charging. 19.47 exact voltage is coming. Here is the high MOSFET, we are getting 19.47, but in the phase battery voltage. See, it means it's not turning on. See, initially we saw it's a battery voltage we are getting here and there, but here we are getting adapter voltage and here we are getting the battery voltage. What MOSFET it is? It is a high MOSFET. So here is the indication the battery is not charging. Before it was charging, but it created some other problem because of this discharging MOSFET. Now we replace the discharging MOSFET and now we have to replace the high and low MOSFET. Okay, after that also you are getting the same issue, then you need to replace the charging IC. Okay, now in this condition we will check the low MOSFET and high MOSFET. The other side low MOSFET will be there and this one is the high MOSFET. So once again I'm checking, it's a 19.47 one side, that's a high side, and here phase side complete voltage we are getting. Okay, we should not get it, means it's a high low thing is not happening, means year to year it's off condition, it's not moving. Okay, so that we will check. First we need to check why the low MOSFET it's working or not, functioning or not, and high MOSFET it's functioning somewhere because it's protecting from DC. It's a DC connection, means it's adapter connection, and here is a battery connection. It's protecting, it's a off condition. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to replace the low MOSFET and we will check it will work or not. So here charging, discharging, idle, charging, discharging, not detected. Okay, AC adapter not detected, idle. So what could be the reason? See, here is the conclusion. See, first what we did, we replaced the discharging MOSFET, and after that high-low MOSFETs, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 4 we replaced, and fifth one was working fine. How? See, in first discharging MOSFET it was coming the main adapter voltage to battery. So that one actually that problem was not there initially. When we was trying, after that this discharging MOSFET got completely short, because sometimes it will happen, initially it will be leaky and finally it will get short. Okay, first we replaced this, after that again it was not charging, so then finally what we did, we replaced these two MOSFET, high and low MOSFETs, and then it was charging, but it was charging, discharging, idle, charging, discharging, idle. So that was the original condition with the vendor battery. So in that case, again I checked one more battery, it was not detecting, it was showing it's not Dell battery, and again it's completely not installed, and here it was charging little bit and again it got idle. So finally I put original Dell battery, then it was working fine. So in this case what I'm going to tell you, For beginner, I'm telling especially, you should have some patience, because original problem will be one thing. After checking, so one more problem it may create because of some leaky components. Okay, that is the conclusion here. I will show you what was the final result. Thank you very much.